Hey guys, today I will be sharing a recipe for Chaana Chaat. For this recipe, you will need around a cup and a half of yogurt, chane or chickpeas 1.5 pounds, spices or you can use chaat masala instead, some cilantro based on preference, 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 potatoes, and 4 to 5 green chilies. We'll start off with boiling some water for the potatoes. Now before putting the potatoes in, we want to wash them and cut them into smaller pieces so that they boil quicker. Once the water starts boiling, you can add the potatoes in. This should take around 15 minutes to cook thoroughly. Next, dice the onions into small cubes. Also dice the tomatoes. Next, slice the chilies into small pieces. Also chop the cilantro. The quantity depends on personal preference. You can put more or less. At this time, the potatoes should have finished cooking. You can strain them and start peeling them. The skin should peel just right off. Once you've peeled the potatoes, you can also cut them into small cubes. Now it's time to mix everything together. So we're going to add the chickpeas, potatoes, onions, and tomatoes and give it a good mix. Next, we will be adding spices, the quantity of which is up to personal preference. We will be adding 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Next, we will add 1 packet of Shaan Chaat Masala as well as around 1/4 cup of tamarind pulp. Next, we put 1.5 cups of yogurt in a bowl and mix it together well before adding it to the chaat. The last step is to garnish with chopped cilantro and green chilies and enjoy! Please let me know what you think in the comment section below.